For the first time in my life, I would say I was the closest to being depressed. I have very strong opinions, my own opinions about depression, especially when it's not medically diagnosed. But for me, I didn't want to get out of bed. I had no clear direction. I'd lost everything that I'd spent close to 20 years building. It was a part of my identity. I'd gone from being this, in my mind, pin, right? I thought I was a fucking hero. And here I was crying my eyes out inside the car at the airport at Phuket, not knowing what the hell just happened, not knowing how I was going to get out of this, and just clearly seeing this image. I tell it in my book, and it still almost makes me teary, of my little 4-year-old just standing there waving at the gate, sucking his fingers the way that he always used to do, and not knowing why he was leaving his dad, because he'd hardly seen his dad for 4 years, and then he just spent every day with him for almost 6 months, and then he was leaving. And it was probably the closest thing to something breaking me. I felt like a piece of me had broken. And how I picked myself up through that process is what I'm going to share with you now, because it's what allowed me to not only deal with that level of pain, but it allowed me to also not just see failure as being inevitable. It allowed me to see all of those failures as opportunities that I could embrace, that I could learn from. And it's what I want to give you today. All right.